So today, Nickelodeon announced something pretty weird. They're making Spongebob spin-offs, plural, so like multiple spin-offs. Isn't that kind of weird? And for those of you unfamiliar, a spin-off is a new series that uses another show as a basis. So like if they go and make a show where Squidward is the main character, that's a spin-off. Nickelodeon's ratings have been declining for a while. Part of that is because they kind of stopped making good shows, but then they started making pretty good new ones, but everyone moved on. TV is slowly fading away anyways, and everyone's getting entertainment from Netflix and YouTube now. To make up for that, Nick has been trying their hardest to make some new super appealing content. Like the Hey Arnold movie, Rocco, Zim, and they're reviving all that too. I guess they feel new shows aren't really going to get them any attention, so they're going to go back to old ones. Although the weird thing is, they recently announced that they're working with Netflix to make a few movies. And the Rocco and Zim movie are likely to be added to Netflix too. So if they're trying to put extra focus on keeping their TV channel alive, why are they making streaming exclusive content? It just seems like an unneededly confusing thing from a viewer's perspective. They're also making shows based on the Lego movie, even though the Lego movie is Warner Brothers. And Warner Brothers is Cartoon Network, and Cartoon Network has a Unikitty show already, and Nickelodeon made like a ripoff of it. I don't know what's going on. They're also making a live-action Dora movie like that. But anyways, back to the SpongeBob stuff. They gave like no detail on what these spin-offs will be, but my one prediction for them is that they're probably going to be Flash animated. That would cost them less money, and the shows probably won't be as high quality as SpongeBob, but they'll still get attention because they are SpongeBob. And if they don't get attention, they can easily cancel them without causing much of a money problem. So I'd say expect an entire series that looks like that Super Bowl clip. This isn't guaranteed at all, I just think it's likely. These spin-offs won't be too similar to SpongeBob, but I mean that's the whole point of a spin-off, I guess. SpongeBob isn't really the type of show that needs a spin-off anyways. Like, it has a lot of fun characters, and the show is designed in a way to give every character an episode. The show's called SpongeBob, but not every episode is 100% about SpongeBob himself. I think some characters like Plankton or Sandy could hold their own shows, but I don't think it's necessary. But they'll do it because they need the ratings. I don't really see anything negative about this. I haven't even been keeping up with modern SpongeBob anyways. It's just an interesting bit of news. I'd like to see what they come up with for these new shows. But what do you think? Are you happy that they're making spin-offs, or should they just leave the show alone? And what character would you like to see a spin-off about? Let me know in the comments. Personally, I think Plankton would be the most interesting character to get his own show. Also, total side mention, years ago they announced a TV series based on the Sly Cooper video games, but news has been scarce. Considering the series is being made by the studio behind the new Alvin and the Chipmunk show, it's possible that this is one of Nick's upcoming shows for the year. I just want to believe this thing's not canceled. If you enjoyed this video of mine, please feel free to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to know when I post a new video. Thanks for watching.